Hi, it's Kevin again from the Clean Plumber. Today we're going to talk about roof leaks. A roof leak is rarely just a roof leak. Every time it rains, water can be entering your home and causing damage where you can't see it. That moisture can soak into ceiling plaster, wall linings, insulation, timber framing, and even electrical wiring. Over time, that can lead to ceiling stains and sagging plaster, mould and mildew growth, rotting roof timbers, damaged insulation and high energy bills, electrical hazards and short circuits, damaged paintwork and wall finishes, structural deterioration. And here's what many homeowners don't realise. The water stain you see on your ceiling is often nowhere near where the roof is actually leaking. Water can travel meters through your roof cavity before it finally appears inside your home. What could have been a relatively simple roof repair can quickly turn into thousands of dollars in ceiling repairs, painting, mold treatment, timber replacement, and electrical work. The longer you leave it, the more expensive it usually becomes. At the Clean Plumber, we identify the source of the leak, provide photos of the problem areas, and recommend the most cost-effective solution to protect your home. Whether it's cracked roof tiles, fouled ridge capping, rusted valleys, damaged flashing, blocked gutters, or deteriorated roofing materials, we'll help stop the problem before it gets worse. The Clean Plumber. 41 years in business, over 41,000 jobs completed, thousands of satisfied customers. We go the extra mile to see you smile. Protect your roof, protect your home, protect your biggest investment. Book your roof inspection today.